The crowd feature in 3ds Max 2014 allows you the opportunity to populate different kinds of crowds into your scenes. Crowds that are walking along paths, or crowds that are stationary, or both. The crowd tool is found in the ribbon under the Populate button. If the ribbon is not showing, you can right-click along the main toolbar and choose Ribbon. You can also find the tool under Animation, Populate, and Populate Tools. When we open up the ribbon and choose Populate, we can create a flow, idle areas, we can pick the number of frames we want to use in our simulation, and even the display of the crowd objects. If we were to choose high-res skin, a download feature would start from the Autodesk website to install new high-res skins. We're going to use the regular crowd skin in this example. I'm going to create a rectangular idle area, so let me zoom in on my model, and in this grassy area I'm going to create a rectangular idle area. Choose the tool and click and drag to create an idle function, and in the Modify panel I can see that there's a density setting, how many people there are essentially, whether they're in singles or groups, groups of 2s or 3s, and the ratio between males and females. I'm going to click the Simulate button at the top of the screen here in the Populate ribbon, and a number of keyframes are generated at the bottom of the screen to represent 300 frames. I'll change to my camera view, and here you can see the crowd has been populated into my scene. And as I drag my time slider, we can see the crowd is a full three-dimensional crowd. In these last few frames, when the camera's not moving, you can really see the crowd objects doing their thing. Now, I'm going to create a flow around that same grassy area using the Create Flow tool. Now, the width is in units, so I'll just accept the default units, and I'll click to drag a flow object. Click to create corners, and when you're done with the flow, right-click. Right-click again to turn off the tool. Choose the Simulate button to generate the number of people along that path, and you can see the density setting. If you've made an error, you can delete that particular group of people, adjust the density even more, and then click Simulate again. Keyframes are generated, and when I change to my camera view, we will see the walking people move along the path. Here you can see the individuals moving along the paths that's been created. The new crowd feature in 3ds Max 14 is very helpful in creating lively scenes with lots of people.